Hello fellow humans and hello CS50. My name is Karthik. I'm from Hyderabad, India, and today I'm going to be talking about my final project for CS50. It is a web app written in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it is called Do It. Alright, so my web app sort of combines three smaller functionalities into one packaged web app. So I'll walk you through the three different things that I've implemented in my website. So the first function of my website is to behave like a Pomodoro timer. So as you can see, I have like a 25-minute timer here, and then buttons for short break and long break. And as soon as I click play, the timer starts and it'll count down to like 0 seconds, and then you can pause the timer in between if you need to stop being productive for a second and go somewhere and do something, and then you can resume it, or you can stop it if you're being away for a long time and stuff. Similarly, you can take a short break and a long break whenever by just clicking on these buttons. So that's the first functionality of this web app. The second thing is I've also implemented a to-do list application. So basically there's an input field here. I can write to-do, let's say like do something, record video for CS50 project, and stay hydrated, very important. So these are like my to-do list tasks that I've just created, and I can go through these. If I'm done with this particular task, I can just click on the task itself and it will green out and it will cross out the task as if it's being done. So let's say do something is done, or if I don't want to do some task, let's say stay hydrated, you should not delete this task. But yeah, anyways, so you can also delete tasks by just clicking on the delete button. Another interesting thing is that now one of the tasks is marked as done, so it's checked off, and the other task still exists. Now if I just reload the site and just give it a little while, my internet is, there we go. So now that I reload the site, the web app still remembers that one of the tasks is checked off and the other one is still not done, and it remembers both the tasks and displays it as it is. So yeah, that's kind of cool, and still all the actions you can still perform on these tasks, you can still delete them and stuff like that. So that's pretty good. Now the last functionality that I've implemented in this web app is an audio player. Now it's not a normal like music player or something. I've curated some natural audio that can help people focus while they're doing an important task like studying or coding or whatever. So there's some interesting audios that you can select and listen to. So yeah, actually I think I forgot to turn on desktop audio, so let me just go there and turn that on quickly. Alright, and now I believe you can hear it. Let me just reduce the volume. And let's select stream, for example, and play it. So you can see I can control the volume as well. Now I can reduce the volume, and now let's say I'll play some other one, let's say train. So I can play that as well and control the volume as well. So yeah, so that's the third functionality of my site. So basically I intend my web app to be like a productivity tool. Let's say you need to get some stuff done and you have to sit down and get to it. You can use this Pomodoro timer, you can add your tasks to the to-do list to track them, and you can also sit and enjoy some natural, high quality natural sounds while you're doing this. Alright, so that was my web app Do It. I intend for this to become like a productivity tool for people who want to use it. I am going to host this separately online as well, and I plan to open source this code on my GitHub, so you can go there and check it out. And once I'm done submitting this project for CS50, I also plan to keep adding features to this. So if you have any suggestions, please go over there to my GitHub and ask, or if you want to contribute to my code, you're more than welcome to do so. And thank you CS50, and live long and prosper.